Tommy Simmons Granite, Gary Villamonts, Simmons Granite. We're out here today fixing to go try to see if we can't catch us a wahoo.
Maybe a little tuna?
Oh yeah, 36-hour fishing trip. We are hopefully going to get into them pretty good. Check us out online, Simmons Custom Granite. We're in Conroe, Texas.
On Instagram, Facebook.
Yeah, we do granite countertops, hardwood floors, tile, carpet.
Remodel, new construction.
Anything you could possibly want for inside your house. We do it.
Absolutely. Don't give him any slack. There you go. Pressure. Straight down. Right. Yeah.
Beast, man. Hey, 1 to 10, that was on a 20.
That was a 20?
That was a 20,
so
bro.
you was on your knees a little bit,
yeah,
huh?
I said, Jesus, take the reel, man.
Jesus, take the reel.
Come on.
For sure. Day 2, you ready?
I think so.
You think so?
Hey, I can hold it down, I'll be alright.
What do you have in your hand? Oh, you're eating salt?
Salt and water, bro. Salt and water. It's that salty water. Salt water soul, baby.
Salt water soul, there you go. You ready for day 2?
Oh yeah, we're ready.
You peeling him an orange?
Yeah, look at that.
A tangerine?
Oh yeah, it's a lucky one.
You ready for that? No, he ain't ready.
Back here, salt here.
got it. Come on. You got it. You got it.
This is something fucking big. This is something fucking big. He just on the line. You almost thrown out of the line. Take your time, Papa. Take your time. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
You're almost there. Come on.
Yeah, we let it see Carlos. Killing us all.
No, that's it.
That's it, baby. Come on.
See that money shot.
Well, it looks like he's closing here. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's a big one.
Woo! Come on, Charlie!
It's a fucking monster.
We gotta get him!
Yeah.
Piece of cake, Charlie. Piece of cake, Charlie. That was nothing. What are you talking about? That little fish. That little fish. So what you think about the trip, Carlos?
Man, it was awesome. We really enjoyed it, brother. It was a good time. Got a lot of fishing. So, perfect. We can do that again.
How many wahoos did you get?
I got 2 of them.
2?
Yeah.
Did you
My
get?
son killed it.
Yeah, your son killed it.
He got the biggest tuna.
Only yellowfin, so
Yellowfin?
that's a good feeling. Good people, good times.
Oh yeah.
What do you think about the boat?
Oh, it's awesome, man.
Oh, the
First
boys
class.
First class, yeah.
First class hands and fucking everybody here, man.
Whole crew.
Yeah.
Nice crew. And you too, Ruben.
It's all good, brother.
Yeah.
Anytime as I yacked, I still had an awesome time.
How you feel about the boat, Tommy? How you feel about the trip?
It's great. Great. I'd do it again. Do it 100 times, man. It's awesome. If you haven't
First
done it
wahoo.
yet,
Everybody first wahoo.
First wahoo, man.
Everybody.
First wahoo.
Sure. First time offshore.
First time offshore?
First time offshore, yeah.
Next time, what are you gonna do different?
Get the patch, bro.
How was your trip, buddy?
That was badass. It was
Huh?
awesome.
How many wahoo did you get?
Shoot, I think I got like 3.
3?
Then I got the big one in the bag.
You got the big one in the bag? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, that's the weigher in, right?
Oh yeah.
Scale.
So we'll see how much it weighs.
What do you think about the boat?
Man, it's badass. Nothing compares to it.